Have you ever wondered how martial artists seem so confident, strong, and disciplined? Or maybe you've wanted to learn self-defense, get in shape, or just challenge yourself in a new way. Well, today's your chance to start your martial arts journey, and I'm here to show you exactly how to begin. Even if you've never set foot in a dojo before. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to get started, what martial arts style might be right for you, and what to expect in your first few classes. Stick around. This could be the start of something life-changing. First things first, the world of martial arts can feel overwhelming because there are so many styles to choose from. Whether you're drawn to the fast-paced kicks of taekwondo, the powerful punches of karate, or the ground techniques of Brazilian jiu-jitsu, there's a martial art for everyone. Let's break it down quickly. Karate is known for powerful strikes and discipline. Taekwondo focuses on fast, high kicks and agility. Judo is all about throws and grappling techniques. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu specializes in submissions and ground fighting. Muay Thai is the art of 8 limbs, using fists, elbows, knees, and shins for striking. Kung Fu is a traditional Chinese martial art that emphasizes fluid movements and philosophy. Now that you have an idea of what martial arts might interest you, it's time to find the right school or dojo. But how do you choose? Start by visiting a few local schools and watching a class or two. Check if the instructors have experience, and more importantly, if the atmosphere feels welcoming. Many dojos offer trial classes so you can dip your toes in without a long-term commitment. Trust me, this is the best way to see if the school's teaching style works for you. Whether you're 10 or 50, it's normal to feel a little nervous at first. But don't worry, everyone starts as a beginner. In your first class, you'll probably learn basic moves like stances, footwork, and some simple punches or kicks. Just remember, consistency is key. Your first martial arts uniform, called a GI, will be your new best friend. It's where your journey begins. Most schools will provide one when you start, but soon enough, you'll be wearing it with pride, and that belt you wear will represent your hard-earned progress. As you train, you'll build a sense of camaraderie with your fellow students. It's not just about learning techniques, it's about developing respect for each other, discipline, and mental focus. Here's a pro tip: don't rush. It's easy to get frustrated when things don't click right away. Martial arts are a long-term journey, not a quick fix. Embrace the process and know that every small improvement adds up over time. Eventually, you'll be ready to show off what you've learned. You'll be tested for your next belt, an exciting milestone that marks your improvement and growth. So, if you're ready to change your life, gain confidence, get fit, and learn self-defense, martial arts is waiting for you. Just take that first step, find a style that excites you, check out a few local dojos, and start training. The journey begins today. Remember, it's not about how fast you progress. It's about showing up, staying consistent, and enjoying the process. I'll see you on the mats.